this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Gcash your account is on hold. In case you might be wondering why your account is on hold and you're wondering how do you actually fix this. Well, there are going to be multiple reasons why your account is on hold. Like for example, if you fail to verify yourself on the request and date, or if you, for example, there are suspected malicious activities or security errors or security breaches in your account, then most likely there are going to be some holds in your account. So for you to leave the hold on your account, you first need to reach out to Gcash support because they are going to be the only one that could actually basically help you with this issue. So in this case, what we need to do is we need to go to your official website, which is going to be gcash.com. At the top right, go ahead and click on Help Center. Now, under Help Center, what we need to do is we need to actually reach out to them. So in this case, you can go and click on Contact Us at the very bottom here. And from here, you have the option to call their hotline, which in this case is going to be the number indicated on your screen here. And from here, you also have the option to have a chat with Gigi and basically submit a ticket. Now to be at the bottom right, you have the chat with Gigi. Go ahead and click on it. And from here, what we need to do is we need to actually say that we want to submit a ticket. So in this case, let's just say submit a ticket and just press and enter. And from here, it should give you the option or button that says submit a ticket. So let's go ahead and click on that button that says submit a ticket. And from here, it should give you this pop-up here, which in this case, what you need to do is you need to fill this out. In this case, you just need to enter your email address, your Gcash registered full name, your mobile number here, as well as the concerned category. In this case, maybe basically you want to set this to account. So let's just say I can't log into my Gcash account. And from here, let's go ahead and choose the option that's actually appropriate for us. So for example, I want to choose my account was put on hold due to routine verification. So you could go ahead and do that. If it's actually from verification, from here you could choose your account here, like regular account. And yeah, so from here on, just go and fill out all the necessary details here, and also indicate some of the requested information. So make sure to describe why you are or you fail to verify yourself, or if there are any additional information that they should know. But in this case, what you need to do is you just need to fill out this information, and from then on, just click on submit, and they will reach out to you regarding this issue, and they will be able to assist you with this issue itself. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.